All right, this is section 62, group 1, initial concept video. First, we're going to have Hannah talk about the stakeholder needs.
As our stakeholder is the Center for Aquatic Sciences, the product that we make should be relevant to animals or other concepts taught in the classes there. The product should be appealing to K through 12 students. It should be interactive and should aid in a concept taught that are sometimes difficult for the instructors to articulate. It should be able to be transported in the trunk of a car and therefore withstand daily wear and tear. Its function can be as short as a few minutes or as long as the hour-long class in which it will be used. It shouldn't require much technological support, as some of the classrooms at the center are lacking such. And most importantly, it should be safe for both children and animals.
Some of the specification needs we'd like to focus on is, of course, safety. Safety is one thing that we'd have to push through in order to get this product into schools, in order to be used by the teachers. The next specification we would need to make sure we meet would be the half-hour restriction to 1 hour restriction on the learning section. And the last one would be that the product is able to be transported easily and that it is also repairable if need be.
So we initially have 5 concepts that we were thinking to make. The first one is a device that shows the filter feeding mechanism of large animals, such as whales or sharks. The second is a device that shows the relationship of how between clownfish and sea anemones. The third one is a demonstration of how animals evolved from prehistoric to its modern day state. The fourth one is a device that shows the echolocation between animals to measure its distance between one another. And the last concept is a device that shows the mechanism of how sharks' gills work.
All right, so looking at the different concept ideas when we were brainstorming, the filter feeding one is the one that we are going to go with right now. The filter feeding mechanism, we have some ideas, but basically we're planning on something where you would pour water and it would close, and like simulating a mouth closing, and then like the teeth would act as the filter, and there would be some type of particle that would represent food or plankton or whatever that animal is eating. Therefore, and as the water filters out, and yeah, that's I'm gonna end that.
In conclusion, as we keep everything in mind, the stakeholder needs, safety, we chose filter feeding. We will use Creo, AutoCAD to make concept and a prototype. We will have prototype ready within a week or two. Also, in the meantime, we will do weekly meetings to keep everything updated, and we know where we are with the project. Thank you.